Hi guys, find and replace is not working in Google Sheets. Okay, so if you are facing this issue, first of all, let's say you are trying to find and replace something in this column. You have pressed Ctrl H and you're trying to find something and replaced with anything. Okay, now in this case, make sure there is not any white spaces. Okay, so sometimes what happens that you are seeing the result but you cannot find and replace that result. Maybe there are some white spaces inside it. So it's better to select that column and click on format and clear formatting. In this way, any white spaces, extra white spaces or UTF-8 characters, unwanted characters will be removed, and then you can try Ctrl H once again to find and replace. So this is the first method, clear formatting of that cells or the whole sheet. Just select the whole sheet and just clear formatting. Okay, so this is the first method. Now the second method is whether I should not call it a method. This is an alternative. If you only try to find, press Ctrl F and you can find that from the sheets. Okay, but one more issue which many users face, that let's say they are trying to change or replace formulas. In that case, what happens? Then you should select this option, also search within formulas, so that it find and replace the string in the formula also. That's it guys. These are the few tips which will surely help to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.